How to tell when corn is ready to harvest, part 2. Look, this is like a full ear. Ah. Oh, this is so exciting. Just trying to expose the corn. Oh, wow, yeah. This looks nice. Okay. I think it's ready. Feels clear. I think it wouldn't be ready. And if there was no juice at all, that means that it is too old. So it's ready to harvest. I'm gonna grab this at the base of the cob corn and try my best not to break the whole stalk off. I did that once before. Alright. And pull up. Oh, and pull up. And pull up. Yes! Yes! It looks so good. Yes! Follow for more gardening content.